instructional videos. Today we are going to install the single garage door banner. Before you begin, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a step stool, and a second person. Begin by rolling out your banner face up. Using the pre-cut holes on the top of your banner, you will attach the hanging hardware. You will need a top clamp connector, 2 nuts and screws, and the top clamp. Place the top clamp connector over the pre-drilled holes and insert the screws. Next, insert the nuts into the top clamp. Align the nuts to the screws and loosely tighten. Using your Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws into place. Repeat these steps for the remaining top clamps. Next, turn off the power to your garage door. Lift up on the garage door about 6 to 12 inches and place a solid item under the door to keep it propped up. Using 2 people, lift the banner up and under the garage door vinyl trim. Place the top clamp over the top of the garage door. Repeat these steps for the remaining top clamps. Next, connect the bottom of the banner to the garage door. Using the bottom tension clamp, insert one of the bottom pre-drilled holes over the hook on the clamp. Extend the tension clamp and slide underneath the bottom of the garage door. Repeat these steps for the remaining bottom tension clamps. Next, lift up on the garage door and remove the solid items holding it up. Allow the garage door to shut. Reconnect the power supply. It is just that easy to install your single garage door banner. The garage door banner goes up and down with ease without any damage to your door.